Right, it's the premium video for Thursday the 31st of March. So our previous video title was Bull's Week or Get a Fright. Well, it was a bit of both. We got some of the long that we looked for, which was great. In fact, we got our long entry was here at this 520 kind of level. We talked about yesterday. We got a little bit of trouble when we almost got stopped out, but then we got up to the close to challenging the distribution bar at the top there. And the fact that we didn't challenge it properly is worrying for the bulls. It really, really is. And there's a couple of things that have come into play, which we'll look at just now, which is going to make it really, really difficult for them to get past here, I think. And, we now have to look at this gap sitting down here, and we even have to look at this swing low as a potential target and for further weakness. There was a very nice inverse head and shoulders yesterday, which is this over here. It should have played out to the upside, but it failed here halfway. Okay, it should have gone up to at least the sort of 47,600, 47,700, but the ZAR strength is a massive headwind, and now we've gone and created a head and shoulders kind of pattern here, and it's very possible that this head and shoulders is going to force a gap close further down like this, even down to that area over there. Okay, and as I say, to challenge that accumulation bar there and maybe force a bigger head and shoulders. Okay, so really we have to be careful on the long side. In fact, not even, I don't think, play the long side unless some miracle happens. Okay, now let's just take a bigger view quickly and see if there's anything else we can see. You can see here the hourly is kind of rejecting the hourly, the Bollinger is being rejected off here, and this is potentially the head and shoulders that we're looking at now. Any one of these actually is potentially the head and shoulders. It would have been nice to get up to that kind of level and create a proper head and shoulders here, but all that we've come and done now is we've come back and retested the neckline of this head and shoulders here. Okay, there's a neck which we kind of got to the target there, come back and retest it, and this level was a very important level. I think some people say this 47,600 level is an area. I think this is the more important level, and we've failed there. So let's see what happens. Now, the two things that we have to look at, and I don't like doing this because you should just really trade the chart, but the rand is so important that we can't ignore it, and we've said for a while now that we're more than likely going to break this neckline here of this head and shoulders, and we've done it now, and we are below the 15 level, and this is fairly crucial. This is the kind of head and shoulders that we're looking for, and there's a big move on the cards if this thing confirms. Okay, so we're looking down to that kind of level over there, and that will have an effect on the rand hedges. We saw it in SAB already yesterday, down 2.5%, and if BAT and CFR and all those other guys follow, the Aussie cannot rally no matter what. Anglos can be up 10%, 15%, whatever it likes. The Aussie is not going to rally. Okay, so that's the problem. Then the other thing that we've been looking at is the Dow, and remember I said that more than likely, we've been saying it in 2 or 3 videos now, the Dow is going to rally some more up to the 17,800 level. Okay, and this is a line which I drew in a while ago. I promise you it's the same line, and there we go. We've got right up to 17,800 and formed what seems to be a fairly nice reversal. Okay, and we're now down challenging this kind of intermediate support here, and if the Dow starts getting going to the downside, then it's 2 huge headwinds against the Aussie, and we will for sure sell off in a big way. Okay, so it it does help to look at other charts. I know the mantra, trade the chart in front of you, but we live in a complex world, and especially with the currency, we have to look at things. Okay, so having said that, let's have a look, see if these pivots can provide anything. So the main pivot, 46,953, where we closed, okay? Right around here. That's PP. The S1, 46,637. 637, yeah. Look where it is. That's the S1. Look where it is. Right here in no man's land. Okay, having challenged that accumulation bar there. S2, 46,334. Right, not nice either, challenging that accumulation bar over there. And through the gap close, and what happens down here. What happens down here, okay? That's the question. The R1 for completeness, 47,256. I'd be very surprised if we even attempt it, but never know what happens. It's Thursday today, okay? Alright, so the S3 is at 46,018. I'll just write it in 018. That is more likely to me than anything else. S3. Okay, so that's all we got. Data today, as I say, it's Thursday, so it is unemployment claims, the big one, at 2:30. So I hope it helps. See ya.